welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install from Luvme Hair, of course. So today I will be showing you guys how to install this beautiful mixed color brown curly bob wig. I'm super excited because you guys know, like, highlighted wigs, brown wigs, anything that is light in color is going to be looking beautiful in the sunlight. Summertime is right around the corner, so I will be giving you guys the final look outside as well, just so you guys can really see how that color is going to pop. But as always, I want to give you guys a quick unboxing first before we get started. Lastly, I just want to let you guys know that every wig that you purchase from Luvme Hair is going to come with this pamphlet. Now this pamphlet is super important because it's going to let you know how to take care of the hair. It's also going to let you know how to contact customer service, returns, exchanges, anything of that nature. So make sure you go through this just in case you have any additional questions. But now we are going to get started, but I want to show you guys the wig first. Now obviously this is going to be a straight out the box wig install. I did not pluck, I did not bleach or anything like that because Luvme Hair wigs normally come ready to go. So let's go ahead and see what this wig is looking like. So it comes with the net around it, of course, and the tissue inside the wig to protect the lace. So here is the wig here. I am going to zoom in so I can give you guys some close-ups, but as you guys can see, that texture is so pretty. The color is gorgeous, and it does have the elastic band as well for a glueless wig install. Alright, so to be honest, I'm really excited to test out this color. So the first thing that we're going to do is adjust the strap on this wig. I like my wigs to be nice and tight, so I'm going to make sure I go all the way to the tightest setting, but it's whatever's most comfortable for you. Again, this is going to be a glueless wig install, so adjusting the adjustable strap is super important to make sure that your wig is nice and snug. First of all, this looks really cute. There's also combs inside this wig. There's 3 combs, one on each side and then one in the back as well. I like to use the combs in my glueless wigs as well because it just gives me that extra sense of security. So now I'm going to just tuck the combs in on each side and also the back as well, just to make sure everything fits nicely. Okay, what do you guys think so far? I really love the curl pattern in this wig. Like, I'm trying not to mess with it as much because I don't want to mess it up. But the combs are now in and the wig is like super tight, super secure. So now all we have to do is cut off the additional lace. I'm going to flatten the top with my wax stick and my hot comb per usual. The reason why I do that is because I really like my wigs to be nice and flat. But off the bat though, she's pretty much flat already, but I like to go in just a little bit more. And then honestly, all we have to do is just add some makeup to the lace and then style her. That is like super easy and really, really, really quick. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, wig is flat. Again, this is a full 13x4 wig install that I did not have to use any type of product to lay this lace down. Like, honestly, I will consider this a throw on and go type of wig because I just took it out the box, I threw it on, and we can go. Well, I gotta finish styling it, of course, but I didn't pluck the lace. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. Like, this is fresh out the box. That is insane. So now all we have to do is just refresh the curls. I'm going to use some water, a little bit of mousse, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, you guys, we are basically finished. Isn't that insane? So the hair is still pretty wet, so I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more before we go outside so I can show you what this color looks like in the sunlight. It came out really cute, you guys, and I'm so happy that I did not have to secure the lace down. Like, this is seriously a quick wig install, and Luvme Hair is always good for that. They are always good for quick, simple, and easy wig installs because that's basically what they specialize in. We don't have no product securing this lace down. So I'm going to swing my head around like I'm a crazy person, and I'm going to show you guys that this wig does not fly off. Okay, you guys, so we are officially done with this straight out the box wig install. I really hope you guys saw how easy it was for me to install this wig. Took it straight out the box. I didn't pluck it, I didn't bleach it, I didn't do anything to it, and it still came out super natural. The lace is super undetectable. You didn't have to use anything to secure this wig down because of the combs inside the wig and that wonderful adjustable elastic band that is meant for a glueless wig install in the first place. This is a super fun wig for the summer. I love the brown, the mixed brown highlights in this wig as well. And as you guys saw outside, the color popped even more. So this is definitely a showstopper type of wig because I feel like everybody would look at you and be like, what kind of hair is that? So I definitely recommend this wig to all of my beginners out there. I will have all of the information listed at the very top of the description box for you guys, including the direct link to the wig that I am wearing today. Everything will be listed right there for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.